talk to mommy, you cough for daddy. I think it's more of an in-your-face thing. Let's try. Okay. Now let's go here. Hey, hey. Yeah, you gotta be right into his face, huh? Hey, sounds. Ah! Wow. There. Oh, now you got fingers in your mouth. What? Say, mommy. Daddy.